Okay guys, what's happening and welcome back to another episode. In today's episode it's another tutorial on the channel. So as you can tell by the title and thumbnail, today's video is how to get Vegas Pro 16 free. If you're new and you don't know what Vegas Pro is, it's Sony Vegas. It's basically an editing software to edit your videos. It's really easy to use, and it's quick and simple, and the render speeds are fine. This is completely free and no surveys involved to get started. So let's go ahead. First of all, you're going to scroll down. Let's close this. Scroll down here and you'll find a couple of things you might want to read how to install it if you don't want to watch this video. But if you scroll past that, you'll see Sony Vegas or Vegas Pro 16 free download. Click here. It's kind of coming out of the screen a bit, and you're going to click it and it'll take you to upload heaven. Once here, it'll take 5 seconds to get the download now button up, and you just want to click it. Once you click it, it'll take you to another page. You want to close it and click it again, and it'll start the download. You need WinRAR installed, so you can go ahead and type in WinRAR, and it'll take you here. You want to install whatever language you speak, which mostly English if you can understand me. But you want to go ahead and open it or save it, whatever. I'm just going to open it with WinRAR. Push OK. This is quite a small file, so it shouldn't take that long to download. About a minute roughly, maybe even smaller, because it is only 382 megabytes. This is a very small file size, and of course there will be a bit of work to do once it's downloaded. So it takes about 40 seconds, and then we'll get on to the next process. So guys, don't forget to show your support on this video. It does take a lot of effort to make this video. It's quite a short one too. It's only a couple of minutes long, and a lot of people think a couple of minutes isn't much, you know, but it does. Editing, it takes half an hour to edit a video, roughly anywhere between like half an hour to a couple of hours. I know that I've edited videos before. This took like 4 hours, and then all the work that goes into it, and all the money. A lot of people don't look. Money, microphones, computers, you know, to get access to all this stuff, it all costs money. Anyway, all links to will be in the description to both websites that are needed. It'll open like this. You can go ahead and close it if you want, and just open where you want to save it in your files. So I'm going to save it to my Seagate expansion drive, and just drag this down a wee bit and drag it onto my desktop for now. Once it's there, I'm just going to right click it. Once you have WinRAR installed, it should look like books with like a belt around or something. Right click it and push extract here. It should start extracting. It won't take that long. It'll take maybe 30 seconds to a minute, depending on your speed of internet, but it'll pop up here, so you'll see here an ordinary file, and as you heard, it is done. You're going to go into it and go to Vegas Pro. You can drag this wherever you want, so I'm going to drag it into my Seagate expansion drive. It might take a while if you're dragging it somewhere where it's not 3.0 and quite a fast, you know, movement rate, but this is going quite fast. It's 1300, just further up to 1400 items in the folder, but you can go there. You want to open it. Once it's opened, you can go ahead and once it's transferred there, you can delete the two off your desktop and go into the Vegas Pro 16 folder. You want to scroll down. Let me make this full screen. You want to scroll down until you find a file that has the Sony Vegas icon that is called Sony Vegas 160. To make this a lot easier for you, you don't have to do this. You can just double click and it'll open, or you can right click, send to, and push desktop. Now it is on my desktop, as you can see here. If I double click it, it'll open. I did not have this installed at all before. It is going to open on another screen at the minute, but I will drag it across as soon as it's opened. So as you can see down the bottom, it's opening. So if I go ahead and hover over that, it is opening slowly. So here it is, copyright at 2018. So this is like the newest version of it. Here it is. So there, and you can go ahead and insert whatever, should say gameplay. This is for the non-copyright channel. You can go ahead and insert it. So there you go, and go ahead and watch it.
Business. Legit. Oh yeah, I forgot, huh? 401ks, tax returns and all.
Yeah, so it does work, guys, and you can go ahead and check it out in the description below. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to show your support and leave likes and comments below of what you'd like to see in the future, and I hope you have an awesome day.